Hey folks, this is Dr. Singh. I've been a doctor for the last 36 years and have been practicing medicine. I've seen thousands of patients. Lately, you might have noticed that you're not getting the quality of service you deserve. That is, that you're not getting your answers back quickly. You leave a message and somebody's not getting to you properly. Medicine may be delayed some. And this is part of my practice getting busier and busier. That is the part of the current practice model that you get so busy that you're not able to pay attention to the patient's needs. And that is what I wanted to be a doctor for, so I can cater to your needs and to take you on a very, very healthy journey of a very healthy lifespan. So as you know, that current healthcare system is not a healthcare system. It is predominantly geared towards sick care. That is, again, not my style of practice. The current insurance model, as far as the practice has to run, I have to see more and more patients, number of patients to keep the practice viable. I'm seeing less and less amount of time spent on your health care. How can I justify treating you in 10 minutes when there's a whole lot of things are to be talked about? So that model really doesn't work. And the current model tells you, okay, if you fall off the cliff, we'll take care of you. If you have a heart attack, you have a stroke, you have dementia, you have any kind of surgical option, accident, we'll take care of you. But they are not looking at how to prevent the dementia, to prevent the heart attack, stroke, etc., so that patient can be brought away from that cliff down to a safer road. And that's my passion, that I want you to be healthy, so I want you to take you off that cliff, put you on a safer road for a healthy lifespan. That is my goal. As most of you know, that I've been training lately as of last 4 years. I've been trained in integrative medicine, functional medicine, lifestyle medicine, and also I've been trained in treating heart attack, rather preventing heart attack and stroke and dementia and diabetes. So what all that means is that I'm looking for a root cause problem which is leading to these illnesses, because I don't want any of my patients to suffer from a heart attack or a stroke or get dementia later in their life. And there are a lot of modalities which I have learned throughout these years, which can really put patients on a right, healthful track, including myself. I've also changed my lifestyle. As a lot of you have known, that I've lost weight also tremendously in the last 1 year, because I'm following this lifestyle which I'm telling my patients to follow to improve their health care. Just to give you an example, who would have thought that dental illness can cause you to have a heart attack or can cause you to have dementia later on? So that is what I offer to my patients to improve their health so that they don't have to suffer any heart attack, stroke, or consequences thereof. So as I mentioned before, so this is not possible in the current model I'm practicing in. So what I want to really do is you be my partner. And I want to take health from that perspective. Look into details of what your health needs are, what your health root causes are, what your family history, what your emotional, functional, spiritual level, what you're doing for yourself, and how can precisely guide you, tailored to you specifically, because it's not one size fits all. Your body's needs are different than somebody else. The current healthcare system tells us that no, everybody is same, because you just have to have a cookie cutter kind of system. But that is not true. Some person can drink lots of alcohol, nothing happens to them. And some people may drink a shot and they're like all over the place. And I bet you know a lot of people like that. So just to give you an example, So my goal would be to help you out in your journey, be by your side as your partner, so that you are healthy and alive and happy. So you must be wondering how we are able to be doing that. Let me introduce you to Alpha Wellness. What Alpha Wellness is, that we will be having a limited amount of patients on the panel. What that means to the patient is that you will be able to have more time with me. There'll be more time spent on your personal history. Sometimes a functional history can take up to 2 hours. But that helps me optimize the goals for your health, and also discuss regarding any further testing which needs to be done in the same goal of optimizing your health. And because of the limited number of patients on the panel, I will be able to do that, which is not practically possible in the current insurance model. As a part of that, you will have a direct access to me through my phone, through my email. So I'm easily accessible. We'll be able to give you appointments same day or the next day. And this also gives me extra time to really dive deep into your root causes, so I can really work on health optimization on a personal basis, especially for you. So there are a lot of things which can be said about this model. But my main concern is that I just want to improve your health span, not just the lifespan. I believe in the innate power of our body to heal itself. It does it all the time, even in our sleep, every second of the day. We just need to enhance it and rather not come in its way. And that is what I'm bringing to the table, is the root cause and lifestyle changes with functional medicine, integrative medicine, lifestyle medicine. All of you might know some people who have had heart attack, stroke, dementia, diabetes, high blood pressure, obesity. And some of you might be scared also that, am I going to get those illnesses or insulin resistance, inflammation, etc.? That's very possible because those diseases are in rise all over the world. Magic is in prevention and optimizing your health to the best ability possible. Working with me, with all my knowledge in integrative functional medicine, we are definitely going to improve those odds. We just have to work as partners. As a part of this partnership, once we come up with a personalized plan for you and you follow it, you should feel the difference in your own body. You'll have more energy, you'll have more endurance, you'll sleep better, you'll be more confident about yourself, and overall feeling of well-being. Thank you for listening. I'm only accepting a limited amount of patients, and I have a support team ready to answer your questions. And I look forward to starting the health journey with you. I'm very excited, and I hope you are also.